everyone, welcome to my channel Craft That. Today I'm going to do some Among Us DIYs, and I love the game Among Us. I've been playing it a lot and it's so much fun, so I thought maybe I should just do a video on making something Among Us. So I'm going to make some characters out of clay, and yeah, I just really hope you enjoyed the video. I worked really hard on these crafts and it was really fun. So yeah, let's get right on to the video. Okay, so I just want to mention this is the clay I'm using. I'm using Magic Clay. This clay is really good. It's nice and stretchy. It's air dry clay, so it dries really good. And I just really like this clay. So if you're looking for some clay, I definitely recommend this. So here's the inside. It comes with like all of these like different little things like legs. I don't know if you want to make little characters just to play with and play around with. Then it comes with this super cool book. And it's a Magic Clay guide, and it shows some how to make some stuff. Like there's all different things. There's like Pikachu, like yarn, and there's so much fun things. Then it comes with so much different colors of the rainbow, and yeah, I really like it. Okay guys, so now for the first step. First you're gonna pick out a color. I'm using blue, and you're gonna kind of make a little like shape as an Among Us figure. And I didn't really know what like shape I should do, so I actually looked it up online. That really helped me to get the shape that I wanted. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got the shape that I like. I think this is gonna be perfect for my Among Us figure. And then you're gonna take like a little plastic knife or something, and you kind of just cut it down there for the legs, just like that. Make sure it cuts all the way through. Okay. So here it is, and then you can kind of stretch it apart or get it how you want or something, and just kind of fix up the shape, because sometimes it like stretches out the clay and it kind of ruins it a little bit sometimes. So you just got to kind of fix it up after you do that, and then it looks super good. So yeah. Okay guys, so now we're going to make the little like jetpack or backpack or whatever you like to call it that's on the back of your Among Us character. So I have a little bit of blue clay, and I'm kind of making a little rectangle kind of shape, and then you're just going to stick it on. If your Among Us character is already dry or something, like you're doing this next step, it might be a little hard to stick. So right now my Among Us character is not dry yet, so it sticks really nicely onto the back of my figure. So, yeah. Okay guys, so here it is. It's looking cute. But next we're going to make like the goggles. So I'm going to take some blue and gray clay, and I'm going to mix it together to make the shape that I want, because the goggles are kind of grayish, bluish, kind of. Sometimes it looks light blue, sometimes it looks white, and sometimes it looks gray. So I'm just going to use some light blue and gray. Okay, so then you're going to make a little rectangle shape, almost like the backpack or jetpack on the back. And then you're just going to stick it on just like you did with the backpack. Just like this. Kind of fix up the shape on the character. And yeah. It's looking really good, you guys. Okay, guys, so next we're going to make the little, like, stem. On mine, you can do, like, any different, like, types of ones, but I'm doing, like, the little stem. So you're going to take some green, and you're just going to cut it just like this, so it forms, like, a little kind of plant shape. Just like this. Yes. Okay guys, so now that I have my Among Us character, I'm just going to stick it on right on top. Just like this. Okay guys, so this is what your Among Us character is going to like look like, because I finished, and it looks super cute, and I just really like this character. Okay guys, so now we're going to do like what it looks like when you get out or lose in the game. So yeah. Okay, so I have this little bone I made. I actually made it earlier. Why? If it looks a little different, it's because I actually ran out of white clay, so I had to use light blue clay and paint white over it. And then I stuck this toothpick in to like paint it and so it'll dry. And that really worked. It really helps. Even if you're not painting it like me, you can still put it in there to dry because this will really help with this next step. Just putting the toothpick in and just letting the clay dry, and because this will really help with it because we're going to cut it and this will help with the next step. So yeah. Okay guys, so I was going to do like the character red, but like to make the bone part thing, but when I got it, it's like moldy and it's really gross. So ew, it's so gross. So I'm going to have to use this clay. On camera, it looks red, but off camera, it doesn't look that red. It's almost like a purplish, pinkish kind of red off camera, so. Okay, guys, so this clay will have to do, though. So I'm going to take the little bone or something, whatever, and this, we're just going to set that aside, but you're going to make the, like another full Among Us character. And yeah, so it's like I'm just gonna you can go back and look at your other character if you like need to like look at the shape or something, and you're just gonna make a whole nother one because this will help with doing it. And so like that, I think that looks kind of good. And yeah, you're just gonna make another one. Now I'm gonna make like the little like goggles, and yeah, I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay guys, so I'm back and I finished making my Among Us character just like this. I made the little backpack, the goggles, and it's super cute, but now we're gonna cut it about like right, I don't know, like right there, I think, for it. So kind of like that, and now we're gonna stick the bone in. So yeah, you kind of gotta fix up the shape when you do this. Okay, there. Now we're gonna take the bone, and I already cut it off camera, so I'm just gonna kind of stick it in, just like so. So this is kind of what it should look like, and it looks really cool. I'm really happy with the way it's turning out, but we're not done yet. Also, I recommend if you're doing this, don't put the jetpack on or whatever, or the backpack, because it kind of doesn't really look good. So yeah. Okay guys, so the next step is you're gonna take, I'm gonna use that little plastic knife tool thingy I have, and then you're just gonna cut it right down here, just like that. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, there, and you kind of got to fix it with shape because anytime you really cut clay, it kind of stretches, well, at least the clay I have. That's what I like about this clay, but when you're doing something like this, you kind of got to fix it up. So, yeah. Okay, this is what it should look like, and it's looking really good. I really like this. So now we are going to make the little cat hat for it. So I like shaped this little black piece of clay as a hat, and you saw me putting it on like the head. I was just measuring it to make sure it fits. And next you're going to take another piece of black clay, and you're going to make a cat ear shape. And where did it go? I kind of just dropped it. Okay, here it is. Found it. Okay, kind of like this. And then you're just going to stick it on the top. Again, if your clay is not dry yet, it should stick really nicely. So, yeah. Okay, so here it is. I added the other ear, and it's looking really cute. But next you're going to take tiny little pieces of yellow clay, and you are just going to roll it into a ball. And then you're going to stick it on the cat hat thingy. And here's what it should look like. And now I'm just going to take another one, roll it into a little ball, and stick it on the cat. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, and I hope you had fun watching this video. And please give a thumbs up if you like Among Us. And please like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!